Distance is 240 kilometer. Now the distance is 240 kilometer. After that, a train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. A train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. मतलब time required means time required 4 hours. Time required 4 hours. Now calculate the speed of the train. You have to calculate the
speed of the train.
You know very well the formula for speed is distance over time. You know very well the formula is distance over time. Distance given to you is 240. Time given to you is 4. Cancel out करें 4 6 जा 24. Now 400. It comes out 60. We can say kilometer during hour, kilometer per hour. Kilometer
Per hour.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is your fourth numerical. After that, your fifth numerical is. Can I repeat?
Yes, sir.
After that, fifth numerical is the odometer of a car reads 57321. Odometer reads 57321 kilometer. 57321 kilometer. When start? When the time is
8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m. When the time is 8:30 a.m. Suppose you start driving and at the initial time, that is 8:30 a.m. the distance is this one. Car odometer shows the distance is this one. After that, car moves some distance at 8:50 a.m. At 8:50 a.m. time. What is the distance? What is the reading of odometer? At 8:50, what is the reading of odometer? What is the reading of odometer? 57336.0. Clear? Now, how much the distance travel in how much time? How much the distance travel in how much time? What is the difference between this time? 20 minutes. What is the difference between this time? 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, how much distance is covered? You have to subtract this. You have to subtract this. 6, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. 15 kilometer. You travel 15 kilometer in 20 minutes. 15 kilometer in 20 minutes. Now you have to calculate the speed. And speed you have to calculate. He is demanding in kilometer per minute. Firstly, he is demanding in kilometer per minute. So this is kilometer, this is per minute. No problem. Simply you have to divide it. 15 by 20. Distance by time. You have to divide it. It comes out to be 0.75 kilometer per minute. It comes out to be 0.75 kilometer per minute. After that, you also have to calculate in kilometer per hour. So you have two options. Either you have to convert it into the kilometer per hour, or simply convert 20 minutes into hours. How we can convert 20 minutes into hours? Divided by 60. It comes out to be 1 by 3 hours. Now clear? It comes out to be 1 by 3 hours. Now you have to calculate the speed again. Distance is 15. Time is 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 becomes reciprocal. 3 by 1. It comes out to be 45 kilometer per hour. It comes out to be 45 kilometer per hour. Understood?